Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export Instagram chats and save DMs in mobile. First, open up your Instagram app, of course, and go to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right. And once you're here, click on the navigation bar at the top right, and let's go to Account Center. In here, under the Account Settings section, tap on Your Information and Permissions, and let's select Download Your Information. From here, click on Download or Transfer Information and select the Instagram account you want to export Instagram chats from and click on Next at the bottom. From here, we are going to select some of your information. Let's scroll down and look for messages and tap on the check box icon in line with it and click on Next. In here, we are going to download it to our device and we can then select the date range right here, tap on that, and you can select all time, but it may take longer to download, especially if you have a lot of chats within your account. But if you can wait, you can select that one. You can also customize the date range. I'm just going to select last 6 months and click on save at the bottom. And you can then select this notify option wherein you can select an email so that they will notify you when your file is ready to download. As well as for the format, you can choose from HTML, wherein you can easily view it from your data offline on your computer, or the JSON file, where you can easily import your data into another site. So you can select whichever is more appropriate for your situation, and also select the media quality, which involves the images and video quality. You can select the high quality option, but it may take longer to download, so I'm just going to keep it at medium and click on create files at the bottom. So it will then be prepared. It will depend on how many chats you have generally. And once it is done, you should be able to see this download button right here. So tap on that and you will then be asked to re-enter your password, and it will then redirect us to Safari or your default browser in your phone, and just click on the download button and you go to the download section at the top left and you go to downloads again. In here, open up your zip file. So just tap on it to extract the zip file within our Files app. Open up the folder, and we can then open up the Your Instagram Activity folder, open up the messages, and this is where you can see your chat information or conversation history. You can also open the inbox folder and see conversation history based on the accounts you had conversation with. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.